Hello, so this is kind of weird. This is my room. I already posted a video today, but I was chatting with a friend. I'm teaching her ASL, and I'm using this book, right? A basic course in American Sign Language, right? This book is amazing. I used this book way back when for ASL 2, and I really think if you go cover to cover, you will learn ASL with this book. Now, when I say you will learn ASL, I'm not talking like as ASL native, like a deaf person. I'm talking like you will be able to talk and have a conversation with a deaf person. I'm saying you will have the foundation to like really take off in ASL, in deaf socializations, and just talking with deaf people, hanging out with deaf people, and just, this, this is my opinion, but I really believe this book, if you study it from cover to cover, you will have learned ASL. And not native ASL, but the kind of ASL where deaf people will understand you. You will understand deaf people. You can have conversations with them of all sorts of different topics, and then you can just really take off with your ASL. You can just, that you will have an amazing foundation. That's what I mean. And I thought it'd be really cool to do a series of Learn ASL through this book. So we're going to do Lesson 1, just because I'm bored right now, I don't want to go to bed right now, so let's do this, right? So the first thing we're going to talk about is personal pronouns. So that's me, you, we, he, she, it. Those are personal pronouns. So this is a sign for I or me. Just do that. The sign for you. The sign for we. The sign for you in the sense of plural, like when some people say you, they're actually talking to like 4 people, like y'all. Right? He, she, it. Just do he, she, it. It could be in any direction, right? The woman's over there, she. The man is over here, he. The book would be it, right? You just point. And then them, right? Them or they. You just do it this way. It's just kind of the same thing as you. Or if they are over here. Right? Something like that. So then the next thing would be adding some emotions to it. Or adding some feelings. So then you can make sentences like, I'm happy, I'm sad, I'm mad, I'm tired. She's happy, sad, mad, tired. He's happy, sad, mad, tired, whatever. So you do, I'm happy. I, happy. I, happy. You could also do you. You're happy. You. Happy. Right? He's happy. He's happy. She's happy. She's happy. You could also do she's tired. She's tired. I'm tired. You're tired. You could also do he's smart. He's smart. She's smart. I'm smart. You're smart. A little. No, you're smart. You can do like or, right? An interesting thing about ASL is that sometimes the sentence structure, when it's really short sentences, it's okay to like move the words around. You could say I'm happy, or you could say happy I, right? You could sign happy I, happy she, happy you. You could sign the feeling or adjective first and then the pronoun, and it would still mean the same thing, right? So I'm happy versus happy I means the same thing. You could switch it around, doesn't change the meaning. You could say you're tall, right? You tall. Or you, there's 2 ways to sign tall. You could sign tall or tall. It's kind of off frame, so we stick with this one. You could say it heavy. I'm surprised. They deaf. You hearing, which means you can hear. You hearing. And they sign it this way because hearing people can talk. That's the distinction. I'm mad. She's sleepy. Well, no. You wouldn't sign that. You would sign sleepy. Because this means she's sleeping, like, or she's sleeping right now, or she's asleep. But sleepy is a feeling.
I've seen people just sleep.
No, yeah, I know, but like sleepy. Read deaf. It's light, meaning it's not heavy. It's light. There's a difference. It light. There's tons of sentences like that. So that's pretty basic. And now we go to the vocabulary of lesson 1. So the first word is and. Second word is angry or furious. You gotta show it in your face. Then you have beautiful. You have big or large. Cool or a breeze. It's not the kind of cool like, whoa, that's super cool. You know, it's very cool today. It's kind of breezy today. Right? Deaf, I already showed you, right? It doesn't matter if it's this way or this way. It means the same thing. An old sign for deaf, you point at the ear and it's closed. That's an old sign. Nobody really uses it, but if you're interacting with an older deaf person, they may use it. Right? Dumb or stupid. Happy, I already showed you. Hard of hearing. Right? The letter H. He, she, it, I already showed you. Hearing, I already showed you. Heavy, right? The sign for hello or hi. I already showed you. Interesting, right? You have these hand shapes. They go here. And you're kind of lean into it. You're interested, if that helps. Light, as in weight, already showed you. Right? These hand shapes are used a lot in ASL. Mad. So you got like furious, and you got mad. Pretty, which just is a faster version of beautiful. Pretty, beautiful. There's a difference. Sad. And when it comes to signing emotions, you have to show it. So mad, happy, sad. No, I'm sad. You have short. You have sleepy. Right? You have small. You have smart, clever, bright, all of that. Strong. Strong, strength, powerful, all of that. Stupid, ignorant, dumb. You could do it this way. You could do it this way. A literal translation would be dumb, and a literal translation would be stupid. Surprised, I already showed you. Tall or tall, I already showed you. They already showed you. Tired, I already showed you. Ugly. Warm, as in weather. Warm. We already showed you. Weak. You. Okay, that's it. That is it. That's lesson 1. I don't know when will I be doing lesson 2, but we'll figure it out. This is, we're playing it by ear. No pun intended. Whatever. So, have a good night.